In my videos, you've seen me rescue all sorts of vintage goodies like My Little Ponies or strawberry shortcake dolls or plush. Maybe you've wondered what happens to these things after I rescue them. In today's video, we're going to go behind the scenes to show you how these things go from thrifted treasures to Etsy listings to finding new homes. Before I can bring all these fun goodies to you, I have to go and buy them. And so today is Friday and it is my estate sale day. Estate sales in my area typically begin on Thursday, but on Fridays you can start getting discounts. So I want to get the best deal, the best bang for my buck, since I need a little bit of wiggle room in order to make a profit. So I go to estate sales pretty much every Friday, and I'm headed out now to see what kind of goodies I can find. But before we can head all over town, we first have to fuel up. So I am at the Quick Trip. I'm gonna grab some gas, and then we'll be ready for shopping. All right, I have Greg here with me. Say hi, Greg.
Hi, Greg.
That never gets old. All right, the first stop, we're kind of in the country, you guys. You can't really tell, but I'll spin the camera around so you can see. We're kind of in the country. This house has potential. Greg alerted me earlier this week. He's like, look at the pictures. This house has lots of stuff that you like, Little Ponies and strawberry shortcakes and whatnot. Lots of 80s goodies. So let's go and see if we can find any.
There's a cool remote control car down there, but I doubt it works. You have no idea if it works or not. Pretty fun. All kinds of 80s goodies. Some little people. Bucket of Cabbage Patch Kids. Assorted place gold. Know what you're gonna find in here. Everything $1. Time to start digging. I don't know what that is. Oh, I guess it's a cupcake. Yikes. This one's seen better days. We got a raisin costume here.
Oof.
It is $8, but we are having I think it's a 20% discount today, so I guess I'm gonna be a raisin for Halloween. So, but the eye holes are here. So it actually, and then these are the armholes. It's in really good condition though. And it's got a date on here, 1987. 1987, all right. Cool find. We found a Beanie Baby room. Oh my goodness. We did not find any treasures at the treasure hunt. Not this time. We found some hidden treasures, but we didn't find any at the treasure hunt. And now we're going to Becky's estate sale. In a very pretty neighborhood, and it's very crowded.
Okay, so that house was loaded with people and stuff. A little overwhelming, wouldn't you say? So my basket is empty at that one. I didn't find anything. On to the next. And here's what my kitchen counter looks like after a busy day of estate sale shopping. Now this was an especially big haul this week. So I got lots of Cabbage Patch, and there's more over there. These are from two different houses. So like these were from a house, and then later, and I got these guys, little stuff, and then later I got these two. So busy day. The first thing I do is lay them all out on the countertop, and then we start the cleaning process. And all of these things have to be either washed or at the very least just, you know, wiped off and cleaned off before we can determine what we're gonna do with them. Like this tray, for example, needs to be cleaned. But isn't it so cute? I love this tray. We'll see if I can bear to part with it. So we are going to clean these up. They're pretty clean, but they definitely need washing. They're, you know, dusty, as 40-year-old dolls would be. We're gonna clean them up today, and we are gonna give them some makeovers. Hey y'all, Future Abby here. I just wanted to pop up and let you know I did finish the makeovers for all of those dolls, and they are available in my Etsy shop. And also you can see the video where these guys and gals got their makeovers. I have a whole video about it. I'm gonna link it in an iCard and also at the end of this video. So when you're done watching this video, you can see their lovely makeovers. My thrift finds kind of take over the kitchen for a little bit. Then when Keith gets home from work, I usually leave him out so he can see what all we got today. And yes, I did buy the raisin. Of course I did. Then we start figuring out what we're gonna do with them, cleaning them up, getting them listed. Well, I'll show you that next. Most of the old toys I bring home need a little TLC before they're ready to list in my Etsy shop, but I find it satisfying to rescue these items and restore them to their original charm. Now that the toys are all cleaned up, it's their time to shine. I use a light box and take photos of each item. Next, I create listings, write detailed descriptions, and add the items to my Etsy shop. When an item sells, it quickly gets packaged up and ready to send to its new home. I wrap the items with care, adding special little touches to hopefully surprise and delight the new owner. Okay, now we head to the post office to drop off the things that sold today. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, I've got another one for you right here where I show how I did the Cabbage Patch Kids makeovers. Now would be a great time to click over and watch that one. and I'll see you in the next one real soon.